and welcome to another video. My name is Shaquita, and if you're new to my page, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope that by the end of this video you will feel free to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up and comment below if you're feeling, you know, the whole get ready with me vibe. And we will be creating this nice glowy goddess look, so if you're interested, girl, which I know you is, go ahead and keep watching. Talk to you in the next one. Bye. First things first, I am using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Expresso, only because when I use the Louise Rumour 5 base, once I get done with my look, it looks a little too bright under my eyebrows, so I'm using a darker shade, which is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and then up under that on the lid I'm using the Louise Rumour 5 base. And now I'm just using my Morphe brush just to buff out that Louise base. And now I'm using my, I believe it's my Morphe 39A palette. All the brushes and products used in this video will be listed in the description box below. If I say them incorrectly here on the voiceovers, only because I don't have them near me. Sorry. And what I'm doing is grabbing a lighter shade out of the Morphe palette and just buffing out the edges of that burgundy shade. And then on the outer V, I'm applying black just to give this look a little bit more dimension. And this is a trick that I learned from, I believe her name is Sydney Lillian on YouTube. And she applies her concealer, which is the Louise base, and then she looks up, and that gives a clear indication of how high to cut your crease. And the reason why you want to do that is to make sure that once you apply those shimmer shades on the lid, it won't transfer to the crease. And I'm not taking this cut crease, as you can see, all the way down, just slightly. And after you do that, I'm just buffing out the concealer just to make sure it's nice and tacky and even layered. So when I pack on the shimmers, I found that this helps me not to get any creases on my lid. And now I am just buffing in that black shadow, giving it a nice gradient effect so that it'll be a nice transition between the black and the blue. And I will be doing the same thing with the blue, and then the same thing with the gold shimmer shade. Now I thought it would be cute to add a little glitter right there at the top of that cut crease, just to give it a little personality. And for that, I'm just using my NYX glitter primer before I pack on those glitters. And this is just a chunky gold glitter that I got off of Amazon. And I'm just making sure I apply a thin layer of that glitter just to give it a little twinkle when I move my lids up and down. And for my liner, I'm not taking it all the way out to create a wing. I'm stopping it right where I hit that black shade on my lid. And then I'm just going to go back with my brush and then kind of like make it a smooth transition between the liner and the black shade. For my eyebrows, I'm just filling in the sparse areas using my double-ended Morphe eyebrow brush. And this is in the shade Ebony. It's a dip brow pomade, and creating a tail end because as you can see I don't have one but it's all good. And just make sure that you do like hair-like strokes in your eyebrows, and I like to use a spoolie just to make sure that that product is evenly distributed throughout my brow. And then using that shade Espresso from the LA Girl Pro Concealer just to clean the top parts of my eyebrows or outline the top. And buffing out the concealer once again. And then I'm going to go back to the bottom part of my eyebrow just to make sure that that line is nice and crisp, because for this look I want a nice crisp brow. And I'm just spraying my face with a little Mario Badescu spray. I already primed my face off of camera using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Body Balm and the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. And if you watch my last video, then you know I'm using the same foundations for my face and concealer. And I'll make sure I link that video below for you as my recent videos, my most recent videos. And what I just basically did was apply 2 different shades of foundation. One is the Maybelline Matte + Poreless in the shade Java, and then the Maybelline Superstay, which is in the shade Mocha. And what I'm just doing is cleaning up the contour and making sure the 2 shades are blended together. I find that together it gives me the perfect foundation color. And then don't be afraid to go back and forth between the two brushes, just to make sure those 2 colors are well blended. And since I used a darker foundation, I'm also going to use that to act as my contour. And to set my conceal area, I am using Wet n Wild, y'all. Wet n Wild got a new setting powder. This is in the shade Deep. Yo, like they're coming for the professional setting powders, the expensive OG setting powders. I really like it. It's inexpensive. Guys, you know I don't like to spend too much on my makeup, you know, unless I'm on a little splurge. And after I set that area, I'm just going back into that brush that I used to apply the Superstay foundation and pressing that powder into my skin. And now I'm setting all over my face using the Zuri Flawless Press Powder in the shade Hot Cocoa. And just to give my contour a deeper dimension, I'm using my Sacha powder blush in the shade Matte Brown. And for that highlight, I'm using my Crayon Case Anglowla highlighter. And you guys, you can skip this step. I only do this for the sake of pictures when I want a nice glossy face. But when I want my face to look glossy, even though I have on matte foundation, if you will. In my opinion, I just feel like the highlighter just kind of like helps give it that goddess glowy look. Just applying that to the high points of my face, again for photography, so when I take my pictures you see that glow from within look. And just applying blush right here using the Black Radiance Artisan Baked Blush in the shade Toasted Almond. And I'm just going to set my face using two products, the Do Me Now Illuminating Spray and then the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. For lips, I'm using my Wet n Wild Simma Brown Nail Pencil and then my Wet n Wild Catsuit Liquid Lip. And again, the products and the shades will be listed in the description box. Yeah, girl, she ready. And this is just the outfit that I chose to pair with that look. A classy bodycon mid-length dress by Above the Curves Boutique. Y'all support a sister and I love you guys. Okay, beauty, so this is all for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I really like this look. It's nice, it's glowy, but it's still sexy and gets, you know, your man's attention. I'm not really into the traditional pink reds for Valentine's Day, so to be honest with you, these looks that I'm doing for Valentine's Day are really like date night looks, period. They're not specifically for Valentine's Day, but you're welcome to wear them for Valentine's Day. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm really starting to like get ready. Well, I've already liked them, but I'm enjoying doing them more and more because before I wasn't quite comfortable, but now I'm getting into the swing of doing get ready with me's and I'm really enjoying it. And if you do also, make sure you comment below, let me know. Yes, Shaquita, go ahead, stick to those type of videos. I like those. I'm vibing with you on those videos and I'll keep doing it. Guys, your feedback is definitely much needed and will definitely help me grow my channel, because if I know what everyone likes to watch, then of course I know which direction to go in. But I thank you guys and I don't want to hold you too long, and I will see you on the next video. See ya on the next video. See ya on the next video. You know, I think I'm gonna just let that be my outro. You know, just party on into the next video. And I love you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you later. Bye.